Hey everyone, today I want to talk about something I'm genuinely excited about. Why Microsoft Copilot is the best AI solution for small and medium-sized businesses. Now, I know there's several AI tools out there, and I've used most of them. In fact, I pay for both ChatGPT and Claude to use in my personal life. I also love Google's Notebook LM tool. They're all impressive, but I think Copilot stands out for business use, and here's why. Let's start with what makes Copilot different. It's the only one of these tools that was built from the ground up for business. Think about where you spend most of your workday, probably in Outlook, Teams, or other Microsoft apps. Copilot lives right there with you. It's not another tab you have to open or another tool you have to context switch to. It's just built right into your workflow. But it goes beyond just appearing in your apps. Copilot has this unique feature called the semantic index, and it's a game changer. Imagine this. Instead of having to teach your AI about your company, your industry, and your specific terminology, Copilot already knows it. It's able to analyze your SharePoint and other data that's available to the Microsoft Graph to get an understanding of how your company works and critically how things are connected. Let me give you a real example. If I'm using ChatGPT or Claude and I mention something about XSEs and CAMs interacting at PAX8, I would first have to explain what all those terms mean and how they fit together. I basically have to build a library with documents, source prompts, and other information that explains and connects those concepts. With Copilot, it already knows. It understands I'm talking about specific roles in our company and how they're interacting together because it has that context built in. There's no programming needed, there's no training required. It just works. Now, let's talk about another area where Copilot is really set apart, which is security and trust. This isn't just another AI tool, it's an assistant that's built on Microsoft's enterprise grade security framework. So let me break down why that matters for your business and your risk posture. So Copilot works within your existing security setup and policies, not around it. It's going to honor all of your existing rules, permissions, and access controls, as well as DLP policies. So think about it like this. If an employee doesn't have access to a certain document or piece of data in Microsoft 365, Copilot, you don't have to worry about it giving access to them. They won't get it through Copilot. These labels and those DLP settings that I mentioned also are going to be part of the prompting process. So Copilot will actually be actively helping you maintain compliance because it'll detect and flag any prompts or usage that's violating your rules. It's like having a security conscious assistant that not only follows your rules but actually helps enforce them. Plus, you're backed by Microsoft's customer copyright commitment, which gives you that extra layer not just of security but peace of mind. That your business can actually use the outputs from these AI models. For SMB owners, this means that you can embrace AI without compromising on security or opening yourself up to copyright risk. You can get all of the productivity benefits of AI while maintaining the same level of control and protection you would expect from Microsoft 365 services. Especially around these copyright commitments, I don't really think that they have an equal in the space. Another area you might be surprised to hear that Copilot actually wins in is price. I know a lot of folks think Copilot is expensive because even though it has that upfront annual commitment, when you actually break down the numbers, it's one of the most cost-effective options. ChatGPT and Claude, in order to get the same limitless usage and enterprise-grade features and security you'd get from Copilot, they're actually $60 per month per user, which is twice the cost of Copilot. So when you look at everything that's included and the way it's deeply integrated into your business, the way Copilot can help you take advantage of both productivity benefits and business process changes, it really seems the best option out there for SMBs. Let me sum this up for you. When you look at productivity, security, and price, the three things that are really going to matter for your AI business tools, Copilot's the clear winner. I think ChatGPT and Claude are great as personal tools. I use them and pay for them myself, but only Copilot is a business solution that's designed for how companies actually work. It's the only one that's going to understand your context, respect your security, and do it all at a competitive, static price point. If you are an SMB owner watching this video, I really encourage you to find an MSP or work with your MSP for data management and enablement with Copilot or whatever AI solution you do choose. And I really hope this helped with your AI journey.